Welcome to a world where every word resonates with your soul. Have you ever felt the call of something beyond the ordinary? A subtle energy, an invisible connection, a message that speaks directly to your heart? In my Etsy shop, you won't just find PDFs, audio files, or digital journals. You'll find inspired tools crafted with passion, designed to help you reclaim your clarity, energy, and direction. Each product is born from real experience, from sleepless nights and deep insights, from the techniques of transurfing to the power of the law of attraction to energetic rituals that help you keep your vibration high. This space is for you, the one who seeks more. For you who feels that now is the time to nurture your inner energy, to feed your mind and soul with something authentic. Choose with your heart. Let your intuition lead the way. Every word, every voice, every page is made for you. And step by step, you'll uncover the best version of yourself. Discover my Etsy shop now.